Hello, let's start a new video on Sprint 143 on Azure DevOps Sprint channel on YouTube. And I'll talk about Azure Repos and this feature here, Improved Branch Picker. And now you can navigate to Azure Repos here, click here on Azure Repos. I have my repos example. I have search here. I can search my respective repos. I have this feature on search files, and now I have this feature search on to navigate on my branch in this respective repo example. Now I can click here and I can filter to branch on devs folder example. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches on this folder, okay? Or I can filter, and I use example. I have branches that contain search words, okay? And here I have 3 branches that contain search words, okay? And this feature is used on Azure Repo, on files, and now use search to filter your respective brands. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.